Today we will discuss past perfect tense and the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to emphasize that an action was completed before another action took place. The situations where a past perfect tense is used are to indicate an event that has occurred and been completed in the past. For example, the girls had sung the songs. To describe an event or action which happened before a definite time in the past. For example, my son had gone to school before I came home. To describe an action that happened in the past before another action took place. For example, we had reached their house after dinner was over. Now, look at the structures of past perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences of past perfect tense. In the affirmative form of past perfect tense, we use had with the third form of the verb. For example, we had already heard this news. The postman had delivered the letters before noon. Negative sentences of past perfect tense. In the negative form of past perfect tense, we add not between had and the third form of verb. For example, he had not applied for this job. We had not seen him before. Interrogative sentences of past perfect tense. In the interrogative form of past perfect tense, we use had or question word at the beginning of the sentence and the third form of verb. For example, had the patient died before the treatment started? Why had he not finished his work till sunset? Since when had the shopkeeper decorated the shop? Past perfect continuous tense or past perfect progressive tense. The past perfect progressive tense is used to show that an ongoing action in the past has ended. They are often used in the following situations: for an action that has occurred over a time having begun in the past. To describe an action that started and finished in the past before another past action. It is also regularly used in the reported speech, where the present perfect continuous tense becomes the past perfect continuous tense. Structure of past perfect continuous tense. Look at the structure and write down in your notebook and learn it by your heart. Affirmative sentences of past perfect continuous tense. In the affirmative form of past perfect continuous tense, we use had been and the first form of the verb with ing, where the time of starting an action is given. The word since is used, but when the duration or time is given, the word for is used. For example, he had been writing the letter for an hour. We had been playing the match since 9 o'clock. Negative sentences. In the negative form of past perfect continuous tense, we use not between had and been followed by the first form of verb with ing. For example, I had not been sleeping since noon. People had not been raising slogans for 2 hours. Interrogative form. In the interrogative form of past perfect continuous tense, we use had or the question word at the beginning of sentence, followed by the first form of verb with ing. For example, Had the children been playing for an hour? Why had the girl been weeping since 1 o'clock? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.